Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the topic name is ultrastructure of algae. Algae Algae are simple chlorophyll bearing and photosynthetic non-vascular plant whose body is a simple thallus organization without differentiation into roots, stems and leaves. See the general characteristics of algae. Algal cells are eukaryotic and the study of algae is called as the phycology. The algal cell wall is thin and rigid. And the next, motile algae such as Euglena have flexible cell membrane is called as periplasts. Cell wall of many algae are surrounded by a flexible gelatinous outer matrix. A discrete nucleus is present. Inclusions like starch granules, oil droplets and vacuoles are present. Chlorophyll and other pigments are present. Chloroplast may occur one, two or many per cell. They may be ribbon-like, bar-like, net-like or as discrete discs. When we coming to the cell structure of algae, generally eukaryotic cell is characterized by the presence of well-organized nucleus and membrane-bound organelles like plastids, mitochondria and Golgi bodies. An intermediate form called mesokaryotic occurs in Dinophaceae, which shows both eukaryotic and prokaryotic characters. Dinophaceae show both eukaryotic and prokaryotic characters. That's why it is a mesokaryotic algae. Some do not has true cell wall. The example Euglena and Gymnodinium that does not possess true cell wall, but the cytoplasm of Euglena and Gymnodinium is surrounded by a membrane called pellicle. Motile flagella possess a pigmented spot is known as eye spot or stigma. The cell wall of algae is with mixed carbohydrates and substances like alginic acid, fucoidin, fusin and hemicelluloses are present. Mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum is present in algae. And the next, see the algal cell structure, and it contains the cell wall and the well-organized nucleus, cell membrane, and other membrane-bound organelles such as Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, that means rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, vesicle, centriole, microtubules, etc. It also contains the flagella. Generally, the algal cells are classified into three kinds. First one, prokaryotic algae, example blue-green algae. Eukaryotic algae, that means major amount of algae cells are eukaryotic. Most of the algal cells are eukaryotic. And the mesokaryotic, that means having prokaryotic and eukaryotic characteristics, is occur in mesokaryotic. Example Dinophaceae. And the next, range of thallus structure in algae. Algae is unicellular and multicellular. In unicellular, a motile algae, example Chlamydomonas, and the non-motile algae is Chlorella. Multicellular, having non-motile colony, motile colony, amorphous colony, dendroid colony, heterotrichous colony, siphonous colony, pseudoparenchymatous and filamentous. Those are having examples like this. And the next one, coming to the pigmentation process in algal cells mainly classified as three major categories based on the chemical and physical properties. First one is the chlorophyll, and next one is carotenoids, and third one is the phycobilins. Those are the three pigments are present in the algal cells. Chlorophyll. It is a fat soluble green pigment that absorbs blue region and reflects green light. It is responsible for green color of algae. The chlorophyll present in the algae is 7 different types. Chlorophyll A, and the formula is C55H72O5 and 4. Mg means magnesium ion. It's the central metal ions present in the chlorophyll. And the second one, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C1, chlorophyll C2, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, chlorophyll F. When the sunlight is passed through this pigment, that means chlorophyll, in sunlight the blue region absorbed by chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll reflects the green light. Distribution of different chlorophylls in different algal groups. Chlorophyll A is present in all groups of algae. Chlorophyll B is present in chlorophyta, that means green algae. Chlorophyll C is present in the basal area of ICA, that means diatoms. Chlorophyll D is present in the all members of rhodophyceae, that means red algae. Chlorophyll E is present in xanthophyceae members, and chlorophyll F present recently discovered chlorophyll from stromatolites. See the chlorophyll bearing organisms, Chlamydomonas, Pediastrium, and those are Spirogyra. Those are the chlorophyll pigment bearing algal cells. And the next one, carotenoids. These are the fat soluble yellow pigments, and these are the accessory photosynthetic pigments. There are three main groups: carotenes, xanthophyll, and carotenoid acids. See the Phaeophyceae members of algae having the carotenes, xanthophylls, and carotenoid acids, and like this Ectocarpus laminaria, and those species of the algae having the pigments, carotenoids, xanthophylls, and the carotenic acids. Phycobilins. So, these are the water soluble, always bonded with protein called as phycobiliproteins. These are blue and red in color and strongly fluorescent. It emits orange or red light after fluorescence. There are three main kinds. Those are phycoerythrins, phycocyanins, yellow phycocyanins. Yellow phycocyanins. And we're coming to the algal nutrition. Photoautotrophs, photooxotrophs, and heterotrophs. Photoautotrophs, using only inorganic medium for synthesizing organic foods. Photooxotrophs, using some organic substance like thiamine and biotin. Thiamine is a B1 vitamin, and the biotin is the B7 vitamin. Those are the water soluble vitamins. And next, heterotrophs do not synthesize organic food from inorganic substances, but solely from organic constituents. And when coming to the reserved food in algae are chlorophyceae members having starch and oils, and the xanthophyceae members having chrysolaminarin and oils, and the bacillariophyceae having volutin and oils, and Phaeophyceae members having laminarin, mannitol and oils. Rhodophyceae having Floridian starch fats as a reserved food. And next, Cyanophyceae having Cyanophycean starch and Cyanophycin as a reserved foods. Thank you.